Hi you guys, and welcome back to the Crème kitchen. I thought it'd be fun to focus on breakfast, and we love waffles in this house. I think I got the proportions about right, but we'll play around with it and see what happens. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I'll figure it out though. I know you'll get the best part of this, right? Yeah. Okay. Let's hope this works, right?
It's got
What if it doesn't work? Please let this work. Seriously, I'm just like, I don't know what's going on. Well,
So just stop.
yeah. Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to the Crème kitchen, part 2. Why do I say that? Because part 1 was yesterday, and we had this great plan to make this most amazing recipe fail. It was a total fail. I will continue to work on it and perfect it, okay? It's the first time we ever did a video where we were almost done, and I said, nope. Fast forward to today, same dress, different recipe, because by the way, I was done with waffles. We had made like three different ways, and I have it in my mind what I want to do, and I know what it's supposed to taste like, and I'm almost there. So we'll get there, I promise. So today I thought I would do something very quick and easy. It is a tried and true great dip recipe that has been in my family literally for years. Even before I had my Crème cookbooks out, I was actually in a cookbook. And I don't know if you guys know what the Gooseberry Patch cookbook series is. Great series. People write in with different recipes, and if you're lucky, you get published, and then you get the cookbook in the mail. So it was kind of fun years ago. It's a dilly dill dip, and it is amazing. Easy. You will love it. I figured with Memorial Day right around the corner, it's the perfect go-to dip recipe. So let's get started. Now, don't blink because you will miss this recipe. I'm almost embarrassed, but it's so good and it's so easy. Why not share it, right? You get your favorite sour cream. Mine is Daisy. You need a cup. I think we've doubled this recipe before. In fact, we probably even tripled it because it goes really fast. We've got our cup of sour cream and now a cup of Hellmann's mayo. We are also very big fans of dill in this house. Love dill, fresh dill, dried dill, frozen dill, planted dill. I planted dill. Now I plan ahead enough to soften a bar of cream cheese. If you've got mayo, sour cream, and cream cheese in a bowl together, you know it's got to be good, right? This is also great not only to serve with pumpernickel, but if you just want to eat healthy with it, get a bunch of vegetables and chop them up and put it around a platter. It's really pretty. On to our dill weed. See, we don't like this a lot. Got a big old thing of it. I'm gonna start with a tablespoon, see what that looks like. And I've got 2 green onions that I'm gonna get nicely chopped up here, and I'm gonna add it to our bowl. Now this next ingredient is super optional. You don't have to put it in if you don't want. I personally love it in the dill dip. Do you like it in the dill dip?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. Almost a whole small can. This is 2.25 ounces. And there's a reason why we're not going to use all of it. But remember, you can make this recipe your own. If you want a bunch of olives, put a bunch of olives in it. You could put green olives in it too if you wanted, or no olives. But we like them where they're really minced up. Next, we get our KitchenAid out, a little handheld mixer. You don't have to use a handheld mixer if you don't have one. You can do it the old-fashioned way. I season everything, so this will be included, just a little bit of salt and pepper. It It can go in the fridge to chill, so it's great to make ahead, but most of the time we just want to start digging in and eating it. If you do have the time, put it in your fridge and let those flavors just kind of all come together. I'm going to put this in my bowl and I'm going to show you how I garnish it. Get it nice and full. Nobody likes a skimpy looking bowl of dip. So to garnish, I always like to add a little bit of what we have on the inside on the outside. Here's where we're using some of our leftover olives. I've assembled our dip. It's on a board. We've got some fresh pita. We've torn up some bread, a couple different kinds of crackers, but use your imagination. And like I said, pumpernickel's great, and so are fresh veggies, all your favorite kinds. So I think, do you want to try this?
Yeah.
Okay, here she comes. Oh, here's the other thing. Make sure you have a little of this on the side. Come on now. Everything bagel seasoning.
Perfect bite.
That is the perfect bite. Yummy?
Brings me back to childhood.
See, all my kids grew up on this. Yay. Well, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this becomes a go-to dip in your family as well. I hope you guys all enjoy your Memorial Day with your friends and your family, all your loved ones, remembering people that may have passed on that we can celebrate this weekend, and also remembering the people that gave their lives for this most amazing country we live in. So until next time, we'll see you in our kitchen.